The Waterfall Wellness Ritual is an experience that I created uniquely for the sanctuary at Two Rivers.
Under older brother, he said, "This is powerful country. This is powerful country." And we felt like we were returning to our land rebels.
The Waterfall Wellness Ritual is a metaphor for personal growth and transformation. We go as a group down to a sacred little spot in the river and adorn ourselves with a special elixir made out of fruits and flowers and minerals and herbs, all indigenous to this area. And we set intentions about what it is we are ready to release.
We burn the blue gum for a safe passageway.
Then there's a silent meditation walk up the river that involves climbing up a waterfall, which is an empowering experience. When we get to the top to a secret swimming hole, we make an offering to the river and then plunge into the swimming hole and underneath the waterfall.
And the song of our struggle came straight
The
from
transformation that takes place is quite profound. So when people are talking about what it is they're letting go of, what it is they're ready to release, there's tears, there's laughter, the element of emotion, which makes it all a little more potent. And people really do create lasting change in their lives.
I sing, it'll wash away, it will wash away, lift 'em up, it'll wash away, it will wash away, lift 'em up, it'll wash away, it will wash away, lift 'em up, it'll wash away, it will wash away, lift 'em up.